Raised beds have become a popular choice for gardeners looking to create a productive and convenient garden space. One of the key benefits of raised beds is their ability to accommodate a variety of plants, providing excellent drainage, improved soil quality, and easier access for planting and maintenance. Today, we'll explore some of the best plants to grow in raised beds, ensuring a bountiful harvest season after season. Let's begin with the classic favorites, vegetables. Leafy greens such as lettuce, spinach, and kale thrive in raised beds due to the loose, rich soil they require, which can be easily achieved in these controlled environments. These greens are not only easy to grow, but also provide a continuous harvest, as you can pick the outer leaves while allowing the inner leaves to mature. Furthermore, the slightly elevated positioning helps with drainage, reducing the risk of waterlogged roots. Moving on, another excellent choice for raised beds is root vegetables. Carrots, radishes, and beets particularly benefit from the deep, friable soil that is characteristic of well-prepared raised beds. Unlike traditional ground-level gardens, where soil compaction can be an issue, the loose soil in raised beds allows roots to expand with ease, resulting in healthier and larger harvests. By growing these in raised beds, you also have the flexibility to control soil pH and fertility, tailoring it specifically to the needs of the plants. Next, we delve into the world of tomatoes and peppers. These warm season crops are well suited to raised beds not just because of the soil quality, but also due to the increased temperature found in elevated soil, which supports their growth. Raised beds also provide the opportunity to install support systems easily, such as cages or stakes, which are integral for the vertical growth of these plants. The combination of good air circulation and proper support reduces the risk of disease, ensuring your plants reach their full potential. Let's not forget about herbs. Basil, parsley, and cilantro are perfect companions for your raised bed vegetable garden. These aromatic plants do not require much space and can even be grown successfully on the edges of your raised beds. Not only do they add flavor to your meals, but they also attract beneficial insects, enhancing pollination and aiding in pest control naturally. Finally, consider adding strawberries to your raised beds. Strawberries flourish in well-drained soil and appreciate the warmth that a raised bed provides. They are excellent for vertical planting systems within a raised bed, maximizing space while allowing runners to develop freely without competing for nutrients. The elevated garden setting makes harvesting these sweet fruits convenient and more enjoyable, keeping them free from soil-borne diseases. In summary, raised beds offer a versatile and productive gardening option that can be tailored to suit an array of plants. From leafy greens to juicy tomatoes, vibrant herbs to sweet strawberries, raised beds create an optimal growing environment for a diverse garden. By selecting the right plants for your raised beds, you can enjoy lush, healthy produce and the gratification of a successful gardening endeavor. Whether you are a novice gardener or a seasoned pro, consider these plant choices to maximize your yields and enhance your gardening experience in raised beds.